Did you miss us?
Did you miss us?
I am Chef Nix.
And I'm Chef Baby Nono. And I have my big gun.
Yeah, that's a good gun. And for today, we're going to make another Chef Baby Nono's favorite. What is it?
Chocolate drink.
Chocolate drink. So we're going to make hot and cold chocolate drinks.
Always cold
Yeah,
chocolate.
but for the hot chocolate is for mommy. And the ice cold chocolate drinks is for baby. For my Chef Baby Nono, okay? But you're gonna help me making my hot chocolate also, okay?
Yes.
Okay, in this hot chocolate, we'll be making two versions. So what are the two
But
versions?
Mommy,
What?
oh, it's mine. No, let's do mine.
Okay. So, we're going to make two versions. I'm going to use a Couverture chocolate and a compound chocolate. Yan. Kasi syempre sa mga kiddo, ayaw naman nila ng what you call this, na medyo bitter na hot chocolate, 'di ba? So, gagawan tayo ng hot chocolate with the use of compound chocolate para naman magustuhan din ito ng ating mga kids, okay? And I'd like to thank Global Pacific, Miss Mean, Ma'am Mean, for sponsoring my Couverture chocolate for today. So I'll introduce my dark chocolate and compound chocolate. Okay? So for the ingredients,
Here are the following.
okay, so here are our ingredients. So ayan, so this is the dark chocolate Couverture that we're going to use. So this is also a product review of the DLA dark chocolate Couverture, and this is 66%. And we also have here the milk chocolate compound. Okay,
Cold.
this one, what's this, my baby?
Only
Chef
cold,
Baby?
Mommy.
Okay, what's this one?
Chocolate chips.
So this is our dark chocolate Couverture, and this
Mommy,
is 50 grams of dark
heavy.
chocolate
This is
Couverture.
not heavy.
It's a heavy cream. So this is heavy cream, and I use Arla. And I use Arla heavy cream na 36% full fat. And we also have here Arla fresh milk, 100 grams of Arla fresh milk. This is 25 grams of heavy cream and 100 grams of Arla fresh milk. But you may use any kind of heavy cream and fresh milk na gusto nyo. Okay? Now, for the procedure, it's very easy, very easy to make, na siguradong safe with your kids. Okay, so we're waiting yan, no, na mag-simmer siya yung ating milk mixture. Actually, this is good for 1 cup. So, if you want to make, kumbaga, this is your ratio in making your 1 cup hot chocolate. And if you want to make 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups, or how many cups, just times nyo lang po yung measurement po.
Even do 10 cups.
Yeah, 10 cups. Okay, now, ayan, nagsisimmer na siya. So, we're going to add now our chocolate Couverture. Okay, Chef Baby Nono, can you put it here?
I can.
Come here. You can. Oh.
And thanks, Mommy.
Okay. So, be careful, my Chef Baby Nono. Very good. And now, we're now going to start to mix. Some, you may add 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder just to enhance the chocolate flavor. But it's an optional. If you want to make a strong chocolate drinks, you may add a 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder, instant coffee, as long as it's not 3-in-1. Okay, and now we're going to wait na mag-simmer din po siya ng konti.
Mommy,
Okay, and now, yan. Naamoy ko na siya.
Good, good.
Okay, and that's it. This is done. Our hot chocolate drinks. So we're going to pour now our hot chocolate drinks here in my cup. Medyo malaki lang po yung cup ko, ha?
But mine, Mommy.
This is giant cup po kasi to.
Mommy, how about mine?
Yeah, we're going to make pa.
We have a lot of...
Okay, now we're going to use naman our milk chocolate compound. Ayan. So, same measurement lang ng ating whipped cream, heavy whipped cream. This is 25 grams and 100 grams of milk. And then, 50 grams of compound milk chocolate. And I use also the DLA coconut milk chocolate compound. Ayan, it's already simmering. So, Chef Baby Nono, can you put this one here? Our chocolate chips. Be careful. Yes, we're going to make after this one. Ayaw niya ng hot chocolate. Okay, and then, yan, we're going to mix ulit until mag-melt. Okay, and then let's just wait to simmer. Okay, and this is it. Ayan, ano, kumulo na. And we're going to transfer now. Okay. This is our hot chocolate.
That's mine.
Milk chocolate.
That's mine.
Okay, so this is our hot chocolate. In this one, we use our dark chocolate couverture. And in this one, we use our milk chocolate compound. So, taste na natin kung alin po ang anong difference ng dalawa. Okay, so here's our chocolate drink. So, this is the Couverture chocolate by DLA. And in here naman is yung compound chocolate nga para naman sa mga kids. Like my Chef Baby Nono here. So, I'm going to taste now. How does it taste ba na? Since this is a product review, yan. We're going to taste now the... Wait. Wow. It's really delicious. How about this one, my Chef Baby Nono?
It tastes good.
It tastes good. So again, can you taste it again? And we're going to try to put ice on this one. Pambata yung lasa niya actually. Bagay na bagay sa bata. This one, ito. Sigurado magugustuhan mga kids kasi may sarili na ding sweetness siya, di ba? But this one is for, I'm sure sa mga hot chocolate lovers, you'll love this hot chocolate.
Oh my God.
So that's it. Recommendation for our dark chocolate couverture of DLA is actually highly recommended. It's really, really tastes good. Masarap. Actually, hindi lang masarap. Masarap na masarap. And you can actually line this up sa mga mamahalin din natin or sa mga kilala na natin mga brand ng mga couverture chocolates. So, I would say it's highly recommended. So, this is the DLA Dark Chocolate Couverture. Again, thank you so much, Miss Mean, for giving me this. Miss Mean of Global Pacific for giving me this product. Also, this naman that was surely loved by your kids. Okay? Okay, so now, we're going to make naman ang ating ice cold drinks.
We can use this.
So, yeah, we can also use this one, no? So, we will try this in ice cold drink. Ayan. So, this is the ice. Oh, excited na sa aking chef, baby Nono.
And more. It's almost time to go here.
Okay. Now, can I taste it first?
Yes.
So, napakadaming gawin, di ba? Pwedeng magawa, I mean, sa inyong milk chocolate compound na alam natin na magugustahan with our kids. Panalo. How does it taste?
Good.
Taste even better? Again, can you give me a card?
Yes.
Ayan. So, guys, this is our hot and cold chocolate drinks. With my chef, baby Nono, like this. Okay, so, I hope nagustuhan niyo po yung aming segment with our hot and cold. Hot and cold chocolate drink. So, thank you guys for watching. And I hope to see you again next time. And this is Chef Nix.
And then Chef Baby Nono.
Saying,
Bye-bye.
bye!